Well, I finally did it. Bitcoin is crashing, and I decided to sell some feet picks so that I could buy more Bitcoin. Absolutely ginormous. I didn't sell Bitcoin, as I just said. I sold my toes online to buy some Bitcoin. No, I didn't, but if anyone's interested. Today, the price of Bitcoin is continuing to go down between 5 to 6% down so far, fluctuating significantly below the 50-week moving average. The daily chart looks about as dumpy as one could ever imagine. In fact, the daily RSI looking a little bit oversold here. Let's see what the weekly is looking like. Actually, the most sold the weekly RSI has been since a bottom back in January of 2023. Very interesting. Let's just say we're getting dumped on. We're getting dumped on hard. And I have a feeling we could get even more dumped on. But that's how you make millions. So Bitcoin last month compared to now, the joke is that she's prettier and she's not as pretty. And then also we see this. We're hitting peak fear right now. Both sentiment and price are down. It's not looking good. Current dip is only the third largest of this cycle, though, at about negative 24%. But the vibes are way worse, pretty much because we've not gotten an alt season yet. But people are genuinely scared that this could be over for a while. Dare I say, this is bullish? Hit that like if you're extremely bullish. Also, Bitcoin is Bitcoin chill. This is normal, as Richard Hart posts. Yeah, I mean, these drawdowns are normal. I think the big deal is that we've slipped below 100K, which is why people are also panicking a lot. And then also, since mid-October, Bitcoin has gone from about 126K to about 94K, a drop of about 25%. 20 to 30% pullbacks, 35% pullbacks are normal during bull markets. Use this as an opportunity to buy more. And there's also fake rumors going around of Michael Saylor selling. This is not true. He's not selling. But there's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear going around right now because people think that it's all ogre. And what if I got on to tell you that, in fact, it's not even halfway ogre yet? Last time Bitcoin was red in both October and November, however, we did drop about 40%. So things are looking pretty messy, right? One thing I do want to point out, the cycle theory is something I've been talking a lot about over the past month or so. But yeah, the only people care about it, or institutions don't care about the cycle theory. They only care about complete financial control. What he's saying here is that we get these prices when the institutions say so. And we're also seeing a Bitcoin death cross tomorrow, which actually often does mark a bottom. So that'll be pretty big. And another point about the brainwashing of a cycle theory has nothing to do with 4 years, and it has nothing to do with the halving. It has everything to do with the US business cycle. When the ISM PMI peaks, you will have your Bitcoin cycle top. Bitcoin is a hard macro asset. So what he's saying is basically CT is hypnotized even. But Bitcoin's $95,000 flush mirrors the October ISM PMI contraction at about 48.7. And a lot of people are saying that the dump is nearly over. Will it be? Or will we continue to see more dumpiness? The only reason you're scared is because someone convinced you there's a mythical 4-year cycle. It's complete garbage. If we were 95K and it was May or June like it was, you'd be smiling. When we make a new all-time high, Joe saying sooner than most expect, one of the biggest myths in Bitcoin will die. Now, we have seen some of the myths in Bitcoin already destroyed, like Bitcoin can never hit an all-time high before the halving. We already did see that happen this cycle for the first time. I think it's totally possible that repeats. But right now, it's absolutely mega dumpy. And there's no indication that there's no indication that the dumpiness is going to stop yet. We're about 2 days away from a weekly close below this 50-week moving average. In my opinion, honestly, would be pretty bearish, right? If we don't get some sort of recovery back to the 50-week moving average, which, let's be honest, at this moment doesn't really look like it. How are stocks doing today? Actually, they were really red earlier, but they're about to close basically break even. They were down like 1-2%. The S&P, the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, now they're basically even, except the Dow Jones is still down a little bit. NASDAQ's actually up a little bit right now, and the S&P 500 is basically flat. So if as I've been saying, I'm targeting beginning of December for a chance at having some bullish price action. But until then, I don't see any reason why this is going to stop bleeding, honestly. Especially now being below the 50-week moving average. But let's just say the dump is here, but is the dump done or is the dump not done? But get signed up to FEMX below if you want to take advantage of this absolute dip, especially with altcoins that are getting completely destroyed, and they have been getting destroyed for the past 2 years, or 3 years pretty much. Without any further ado,